Yes, this is Rob Thompson from the Financial Freedom Foundation, and this video is to show you how simple using managed accounts can be. In this case, it's a Forex managed account, and we are looking here at a MetaTrader 4 platform. You do not need to know how to do currency trading nor how to navigate this platform to have a professional trader work for you. This is if you've ever seen The Wizard of Oz, this is what's behind the curtain. You see a big fancy wizard, but this is actually what's behind the curtain. These are the control panel. And this is what the professional traders do. This is live trading. If you look right here, you can see these numbers moving. There's a market clock going on. What you want to do is anytime that you see a website that has track record posted, and if it's a screenshot of trading or printed or printout, you don't want to take those with a grain of salt, because those can be easily modified. What you want to do is, with a MetaTrader 4 platform, it's a third-party software that cannot be modified on the spot. Like what we're looking at here basically is live performance. This is real-time information. You cannot modify these numbers, add, delete, subtract, because it's inconvenient losses. You can't doctor up the profits. This is real stuff here. Now, this particular account is not it's paper trading, and the reason is because we don't want to divulge anybody's personal information. And so the professional traders were kind enough to open up a paper trading account for us that exactly mirrors the live accounts. And in this case, they open with a deposit of $1 million. When most people open up their own trading accounts with real money, they usually put in $10,000 to start with, and then once they're comfortable, they increase it from there. But the professional traders, they get paid a percentage of the profits, so their incentive is to generate profits on however much you have in on a consistent basis, so that you're comfortable putting in more. And they get paid on what's called a high water mark. So if they do have losses, they have to regain those losses before they can collect the percentage of the profits again. And usually it's around 20 to 30%, 25% of the profits is what the professional traders get paid. So they don't make money if you don't make money. And that goes into the kind of strategies that they use. They want consistent, steady profits. And as you can see, here, this is a profit column here. We'll just go from the left to the right. This is an order number. This is a time that it happened. You can see the trading started on November 29th, 2010. They entered with a buy. The trading size, the Great GBP stands for Great British Pound. USD stands for US dollar. So this is what they call the pound sterling, or the cable. That's the price where they entered, the take profit. And as you can tell, this is a high frequency trading strategy that they're using. This is the auto trading component. This particular group, they have both an auto trading component and a discretionary trading component. Auto trade means there's a software program that does the trading for them. They're constantly monitoring the software program. They developed it in-house, and it's very proprietary. It's kind of like the investment banks do, but this is Forex. This is not stock trading. And they also do discretionary trading, where it's all manually done. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to see that whereas the auto trading, you have consistent small profits on a regular basis, you also have with the discretionary trading, here's a classic example, you have much larger profits, and it's usually held for a longer time period. Here you can see that they sold to close the trade. Here's some more. Sometimes the discretionary trades are much larger profit size amounts. Sometimes are just slightly larger. But they have a very, very, very high success ratio. When the trades are open trades, they do have drawdowns. When they close the trades is when they're in the profit. So You can see they have a lot of trades. We're scrolling through the numbers quickly. I hope I'm not hurting your eyes there. Another case of the discretionary trades being closed. For the sake of time, we'll just scroll all the way to the bottom. We'll rapidly scroll. There we go. And this is where the rubber meets the road. So the deposit was $1 million, 0 withdrawals, 0 credits, so they haven't added any money since that initial deposit. And profit loss, they call that P&L. The profit is $305,000 and change on $1 million deposit. That's just over 30% return in closed profits, closed trades, realized returns since November 29th to February 9th. And there you have it. That's a 30% return realized in the bank type money. And you can, if this were your account, you could take the money out. If it's not your account, well, of course you can't do that. But your goal is to average 6% return a month for, and you want to have multiple professional traders doing that, so you have a diversified portfolio and you minimize your downside risk. But if you can average at least 6% a month, then you're on track to double your money every year as long as you reinvest the profits. That's how compounding works. That's the rule of 72. And so if you have $100,000 in your trading account spread over several traders, then you're on track to generate $100,000 of truly passive income that year. You don't have to go to work for this. You don't have to have a job. You just sit back and let the professional traders do their work, and you collect the profits. That's how it's designed to work. And if you want $200,000 a year income, well, you just use $200,000 of investment capital. If you don't have that in savings, you simply get access to other people's money through investment debt. There's a couple ways to do that. We show people how to do that when they join the mastermind group. It's not rocket science. It's so simple. It's the opposite of intimidating, whatever that word might be. So these are the open trades. As you can see, these numbers are changing because these open trades are open trades. They're still live in the market. So here's the balance of, you can see that they're earning $62,000 drawdown. So of the $300,000 profit with the drawdown amount, they're at net equity is net to 24% return since November 29th. So that's just over 24% in about 2 months and a week. This is real information. This is not faked in any way, shape, or form. And shoot, if this were your professional, if this trader was working for you, this would be the kind of returns that you would experience on whatever dollar amount you put in. Again, you want to have a diversified investment portfolio, and that's what we encourage people that join the mastermind group to do. So we encourage you to look at our website and join our mastermind group, and we'll show you how you can make money work for you so that you can spend your time on philanthropic endeavors to actually make the world a better place instead of being slave to money all your life. And it's not hard to do. You just have to have specific knowledge, and the biggest piece is who these professional traders are and how to minimize risk each step of the way and how to get access to the capital. That's what we show you how to do when you join the mastermind group. So you can find us at thefinancialfreedomfoundation.org. Again, our website is thefinancialfreedomfoundation.org. We'll see you there.